and you're watching Chip's Activities, the show that you watch and I do stuff. I have 3 activities for you today. We will go on the roof and birdwatch. It's a great day for that with all the rain. I'll read you a book called Things That Go Zoom. And thirdly, we will go bowling. You are watching Chip's Activities. So now we are on the roof, and before we get to birdwatching skills, we need to just remember some simple safety rules about being on a roof. Never go on the roof when it's raining. I'm a professional, that is why I'm on the roof right now, but it is strictly for your benefit. Always be careful if the roof is wet. Be careful to have a firm walk as you walk down the side of the roof, or anywhere you're walking. Just make sure you have a good, firm hold. Now that it's lightened up a bit, we will do the umbrella. But always have an umbrella handy if it's raining. We're ready to birdwatch. What you'll need is some binoculars. Mine are yellow, but it doesn't really matter what color they are. Mine work really good. Whoa, look at that one. Oh, I just love bird watching. Look, another one. Always wear this rope around your neck so that you don't drop your binoculars. Otherwise, you might go after them and you might fall off the roof. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Always wear the rope, okay? Remember, best days to look for birds are when it's raining. It's a true fact. When you birdwatch, if you want to see really, really good birds, you have to stay out here for hours just to get a glimpse of the beautiful ones. We're going to read a book now called Things That Go Zoom, a finger puppet book about opposites. Don't ask me what this guy is, I have no clue. He's kind of a creepy looking monkey guy. First page. Fast. Slow. Down. Up. Over. Under. Big. Little. Hot. Cold. Ooh. Top. Bottom. Day and night. Short, that's me. Tall, that's a boat and a giraffe. Few cars. Many cars. Closed. Open. And closed. This has been Things That Go Zoom, a finger puppet book about opposites. Goodbye! There are many techniques you can do with bowling. My personal favorite, the granny shot. Now, it's totally okay if you need to put up the bumpers, because I'm a professional and I use the bumpers, so it's all cool with that. Another one you can do is called the walk-up. Always make sure you wear these cool new shoes you can get anywhere they do bowling. Cool shoes. Cool shoes. This is the pilot. It's been a fun day with Chip's Activities. I hope you enjoyed those 3 activities I showed you today. I was wondering, did you notice any differences in my costume during this episode? Let me know in the comments if you noticed the difference. Stay tuned for next Tuesday for the 2nd episode of Austin's Old Videos. Next Tuesday at 5 p.m. Stay tuned for that next week. We will see you in 2 weeks for episode 5. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye!